Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make this super easy one-pan chicken and rice. This one-pan chicken and rice is a perfect weeknight dinner. It's tender, juicy chicken thighs cooked over some fluffy rice. And it's so delicious and comforting and definitely a winner at our house. So let's get started. Let's begin by making our rub for our chicken. I have 1 teaspoon of paprika and I'm going to mix in a half a teaspoon of turmeric, a half a teaspoon of dried oregano, and 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. And I'm going to mix our seasonings until it's well combined. Here I have 5 chicken thighs with the bone in and skin attached. And I'm going to go ahead and remove the skin from the chicken. If you like, you could definitely leave the skin on. I'm just not a fan of chicken skin, so that's why I'm removing it. Chicken thighs work really well with this recipe. When we cook it along with the rice, it just comes out nice, juicy, and tender. Now I'm going to season both sides really well with salt and pepper, along with our seasoning mix. Also, by the end of this video, if you guys did enjoy this recipe and I've provided any type of value to you, please go ahead and give me a like and subscribe, and that would really help to support my cooking channel. If you guys prefer, you could also sub boneless, skinless chicken thighs for this recipe. Here I have a pan that's heated over medium-high heat. I'm going to add some olive oil and I'm going to sear the chicken. Right now, we're just looking for it to develop a nice brown crust. We don't need it to be cooked through at this point since it'll finish cooking with the rice. So this will take about 4 minutes per side. Quick little story. When I made this recipe again, I did have COVID and I lost my sense of taste and smell. So I relied on following my written recipe to the T. And my hubby had told me, even though you can't taste, you sure still can cook good. And all I can think is, thank goodness I can still refer to my recipes. I'm going to let this continue to cook for another 4 minutes, and then I'm going to remove it, set aside, and wipe my pan clean. I'm going to add more oil to the pan along with 1 diced onion and 5 minced garlic cloves. And I'm just going to cook this down until it's slightly softened. This will take about 3 minutes. Now I'm going to add 3 cups of water, 1 tablespoon plus half a teaspoon of chicken bouillon powder, and half a teaspoon of turmeric. The chicken bouillon powder is going to give it tons of flavor, and the turmeric is going to give it this pretty yellow color, and it actually has a lot of health benefits. It has anti-inflammatory effects as well as an antioxidant. I've also stirred in 1.5 cups of long grain basmati rice. As you guys can see, this is such a quick and easy one-pan meal that everyone just loves. Even my picky eaters love it, and you guys can watch until the end to see their reactions to the taste test. I'm returning the chicken thighs back to the pan, and I'm going to bring everything to a boil, and then I'm going to reduce the heat to medium-low, cover and let simmer for about 20 to 25 minutes. And now let's go ahead and take a look at the final product. What I like to do is remove the chicken thighs for a second and give the rice a nice fluff. I just love this gorgeous yellow color. Now I'm going to return the chicken thighs back to the pan. And as always for you guys, I have the full written recipe in the description below. Lastly, I like to garnish it with some chopped green onions and some lemon slices. The lemon just adds some nice bright flavor, and my son actually likes to add extra lemon to his. This is looking so good. I can't wait to dig in, and if you're tired of your boring old run-of-the-mill chicken and rice dinners, this will definitely change it up and you won't be disappointed.
It's time to cheers.
It's time to cheers. You are right. You want one?
Time to cheers.
Oh, they look so cute.
My bagel! This is gonna be a long video. My bagel? Is that my bagel?
Here, you do cheers with the rest. Okay, here, hold it.
No, this is my bagel. My bagel. This is my bagel.
Okay, wait. Ready? This is such a long
I want my bagel.
Okay, ready?
I want my bagel. Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Cheers!
have to try it.
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see more simple and delicious recipes, please give me a like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification. I make cooking videos weekly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.